The TOPGOOSE 3-channel Wi-Fi Dash Cam offers comprehensive protection with its triple-channel system, featuring wide-angle front, rear, and in-car cameras. Equipped with a high-performance Novatek chipset and Sony Sensor, this dash cam delivers smooth full high-definition 1080p front video along with 720p cabin and rear video, making it ideal for rideshare drivers and anyone wanting all-around recording. With built-in Wi-Fi and app control, you can easily connect the dash cam to your smartphone, allowing for convenient video playback, management, and sharing via the Viidure app. The dash cam's super night vision function, combined with a large aperture and wide dynamic range technology, ensures clear video and images even in low-light conditions, making it perfect for nighttime use. The 24-hour parking mode with motion and collision detection ensures continuous recording, capturing critical moments while your car is parked. Featuring a gravity shock sensor and loop recording, this dash cam automatically locks collision footage and overwrites the oldest files when the memory card is almost full, providing reliable evidence retention.